In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Alibaba with PayPal. Let's dive right into the process and make sure your transaction goes smoothly. First, you need to open your order on Alibaba. This is the starting point of our journey. Navigate to your order details page where you'll see all relevant information about your purchase. It's crucial to verify that everything is correct at this stage. Double-check the product details, quantity, and price. This step ensures that you're proceeding with the right order. Mistakes caught here can save you time and hassle later. Once you've confirmed your order details, click on the button labeled Pay Now. This action will initiate the payment process. By doing so, you are signaling to the system that you're ready to proceed with the transaction. It's a straightforward step, but it sets everything in motion. Next up, you'll need to select PayPal as your payment method. You'll find this option among several others. Choosing PayPal is a great choice because it offers an added layer of security for your payments. PayPal acts as an intermediary, keeping your bank details private. This is important because it helps protect your financial information from being shared directly with the seller. After selecting PayPal, click Continue to move forward with the payment process. This step is crucial as it confirms your choice and takes you to the PayPal login page. Here, you'll be redirected to a secure PayPal environment. You can trust this page as it is designed to protect your login credentials. Now, it's time to sign into your PayPal account. Enter your email and password carefully. Take a moment to ensure that your credentials are correct. This is important because entering the wrong details could delay your transaction. Once you're logged in, you're well on your way to completing your purchase. With that ready, review the payment details displayed on the screen. This is your opportunity to confirm that the correct amount is being charged. Look out for any additional fees or discrepancies. This step is vital because it ensures that everything matches your expectations before you finalize the purchase. After you've reviewed everything and are satisfied with the details, click Pay Now within the PayPal interface. This action authorizes the payment. You're essentially telling PayPal to proceed with transferring the funds. This step is the culmination of your efforts, and it's important because it completes the purchase. Finally, wait for a confirmation notification. This might take a few moments, so be patient. Once you see a confirmation message, rest assured your payment has been successfully processed. You will also receive an email confirmation from both Alibaba and PayPal. This serves as your digital receipt and proof of payment. And with that, you've completed the process of paying on Alibaba with PayPal. Congratulations on a successful transaction. Remember to keep your confirmation emails for your records. They're important for any future reference or if any issues arise. Thank you for following along and happy shopping on Alibaba.